Hey, welcome to this awesome video series of Perfect CRM. And we are CodeCanyon experts. We are customizable. We are more enhancement with those models you are using it. You can get back with all those models you are using for CodeCanyon. And this video, we are going to specifically see what potential comes with Perfect CRM and why it is widely used throughout the world, and more than 50,000 official users, and there's a lot of counting. And definitely we are going to strongly recommend this product. And this video we are going to see precisely about those models. They are really helpful for your business, and we are strongly recommending this product. And yes, of course, as a perfect CRM consultant, we have a workshop with understanding all those models. If you have any query, you can get back with us in our WhatsApp. Okay, so in this model, Perfect CRM open source is fully open source, and you can use for your own business. And yes, awesome. It has a lot of cool features. You can see more than 25,000 official buyers over there, and lot of comment and lot of platforms engaging over here. So yeah, it has a lot of potentials. And why it is a lot of potential? Because it has 386 plus more models. Because why? Constantly it is upgrading, constantly it is on the process. Like we will quickly over those models we really use for your business. Yes, we have REST APIs, models. We have inventory, mailbox, perfect CRM chat. Wow, purchase management for your productions, accounting and bookkeeping. More open is really important. Appointment relevant models, time sheet relevant models. We have its SaaS version, so agency can help those modules. We can make a subscription business over here. We have perfect chat, HR system, payroll system, recruitment, SMS relevant, human resource management, web hooks. You can connect with any platform. Perfect services, cooling features. You can sell your product and services over online. And yes, you can link with Meta. Perfect lead integration, marketing automation, sales commissions, lead manager. It's awesome because lead manager has capacity to manage all the lead from different platforms. Awesome. Omnichannel sales models. We have asset management, project roadmap. We have different and number of models. You can see there's there are a lot of things is there. Every time they are improvising it. And yes, awesome, they have 13 in a row. So in this video we just quickly hover, because yes, we can connect to understand those models benefits, how you can systematically organizingly manage those models with us. We have a webinar, we have a workshop, one-to-one workshop, so we can get that how you can manage those models for your business in real time. Business wise, we have case studies, so you can get back with us. And yes, they have WhatsApp relevant integration, so it's more powerful. You can make your WhatsApp funnel, so it has a lot of powerful things is there. You have inventories, you have chat relevant, you have security relevant. So more securely you can use the CRM software. We have wiki, that means you have a online Wikipedia relevant things model. So yeah, there's a lot of exciting features over here. So yes, we have mentioned and tag, and that you can mention anyone from over the software. And sales agent, commission agents. Wow, a lot of things is more quickly features, and they're the best selling. I'm just hovering the best selling items over here. You have two-factor authentication, that most securely you can do this. And reminder model is there. Accounting planning, staff outsourcing, document management. Wow, these are awesome features. And yes, every features has a unique things, and you can use you for a business case study. You can manage your customer with a loyalty point. Wow, amazing. The things is there. So we have this supply management. If you are running an supply management chain, so a lot of things, a lot of amazing thing is there. And yes, they have project, they have inventory, they have accounting, they have HRM, they have lot of things for the department wise. You can connect with us with this CRM demo. You can get back with you at the one-to-one workshop. So I will inviting with you, join with my WhatsApp. And yes, I will be there coaching with you how models can helpful, and we will get back over there.